Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
The Triennial Conference of the People's Democratic Party (PDF) was held on the 20th of August 2022 at the Community Hall of the Dorbar Shnong Mawkhar, Shillong. Hundreds of supporters along with PDF leaders Banteidor, Lyngdoh and Gavin Mylliem had attended the conference. Briefing media persons after the formal program, the MLA of Sora, Gavin Mylliem, who was selected as the new president of the PDF, informed that his acceptance of the new position had come after a decision was unanimously taken at the meeting earlier held on the 18th of August 2022, where Banteidor Lyngdoh had expressed his inability to continue as chief of the party due to various other commitments. As far as the upcoming Legislative Assembly elections in Meghalaya are concerned, Gavin Mylliem said that the PDF has 28 strong and active zonal committees, and selection of candidates to the 2023 elections will all depend on the Central Election Committee of the party.
Hoy nakaliang na jongi aswa man matay sai hangi ba nakaliang jongi la penpao ba nakadao jong ka jingbun kam ko jongi ha ka jinbat jongi komiti sarkar ko kani sarkar jala indi ka jongi so ko nakaliang na jongi pintelun yang kam komiti sarkar kalau itu ko pintelun yang kam jong parti kam le ka kam basuk nakaliang na jongi da komiti ko belu para ka jingi rai lang jong solusi perbu ngai berpikir jangan kalipor proses yang rei nakaliang jong ini dan ka jikka benskem barakan ni jalang ni yoi rayo mane sim bentala bagi depan nakaliang jong district committee nakaliang jong depan zone committee bakum jo di primary committee akaba nakaliang jong iru yoi ba amensim ka sherhem bangi don ya ka jikka ben baskem paling ba ka jitra ilang inangla kiu ya new party zone ni abo kursi depan oh ya ka jing yalang bu ngadon ka to ni jingpen baik ya bede bat bede kam jo party ngadon ya ben singet ka to ni ya nakaliang jong ya siam lang ya jimen jo lang mani sot ko ka bede ba ka reti penyai kam jo party ya kaling ya ha se election commission jo bede di mas pan yo mar ko malang menta hoy ni don ni zone committee ber kaleng so dong jalang mereka bede beti candidates nakaliang joni ni sa convene ya Central Election Committee pansim pada harai ko khadu adu mentang yang panlang ban batai kan no ki candidates ki ban ya sim menta henreng yoi nakaliang joni zone committee pun ki penpal ka mensim bagi kwa ban sim menta nak ni election acara pula.
On the absence of the two PDF MLAs, Hamletson Darling and Jason Saukmir, from the Triennial Conference, Gavin Mylliem said that communication had been sent to them but no response had come from their end as to reasons for not being able to attend the conference held today. Mylliem also said that the PDF has nothing to comment on the absence of the two MLAs to one of the biggest conferences of the party.
Parti hoy ni ada pha de ka jingpen tim ha bede ba ni ka Triennial Conference ring ya soko bana kalian ka jongki ki klem sem lawan pau sa ni Triennial Conference de na kalian ka jongi ni ndo chicken to e ni soko kata de ka rai ka jongki ya si karai ne ka jiktep ka bakham tikana le si video naki hi simet dan rei na kalian ka jongi parti ni mko pa kin to e halor ka rai ka jongki na kalian ka jongi ai all the best na ka ta ka jongki
On the absence of the MLA of Mylliem and Umsning from the Triennial Conference, former PDF chief Banteidor Lyngdoh said that the party will meet and discuss on the matter. At the same time, he expressed the fact that the PDF till date has a strong hold in both the constituencies and therefore their selection of candidates to the upcoming Legislative Assembly elections of 2023 will not be an issue.
Kata dekat parti jongi kadang kadang klan national committee ru kala da perform ngila don nomor mundai baro shabalet kita gelet lang lada gilalet kila rai kan tu ai dai na taka daw pamentang ada tu di jaga provinsi ni ka national committee jong ka klan ba bagitri ka mang ni kidon lang nakaliong jong i bagilwat napo Mylliem idon nang ni pat nakaliang jong i badon sokalet napo sing ko